This is Tangerine. And the goal of today is to keep Tangerine alive. 'Cause if he dies, I kill everyone. Alright. Let's go mining. Let's go, Tangerine. The first challenge of the day. Nope. So, this is Tangerine. And the goal is to keep him alive. Alright, let's just... Come on, Tangerine. If that's even your name. Oh no. Why are there so many mobs? This is easy mode. I don't know why I'm making a safer bridge for you to cross. You're a bird. You can fly. I'm the problematic one that can't fly. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Aw. You got a moss block. Oh, hello. That's really cute. Dude's just got a moss block. Nice. I love Endermen. They're such a great mob. You know, my favorite Minecraft mob used to be the spider. Quite interesting, if I do say so myself. Are there any axolotls? Oh, you have no friends? You don't have any axolotl friends over here. That's so sad. No friends. I'm gonna get you a friend. Alright, Mossy Enderman. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's so happy, because he's getting a friend. Look, you have a friend. Okay, bye. He'll be back. Hello? Obnoxious amount of torches means this is my hole. Oh, spider. Can't get me through the glowberries. Oh, you most definitely can. No! God, Tangerine! Oh my god, I almost killed Tangerine. Oh. Oh god, my pickaxe. Oh. What is... Whoa. What the... Wait a minute. Fish can spawn here? Since when? Okay, hear me out. Where is this water coming from? Ah. Okay, come on, Tangerine. What have I done? Oh no. Oh. Oh no. is so mean, but so funny. Oh, jeez. Get away. No. I don't want Girl Scout cookies. I already have them. Get out of here. Oh my god. No. Not again. Where are you? There you are. Come here, you. Alright. I dub thee... Excuse me. I dub thee Poco. Let's go, Poco. Remember me? I stole from you. Oh, okay. That was just him getting my scent. Alright, so where was the... Alright. It's a Tetris piece. Ow. 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 Alright. Here's the cave. It looks like a... Oh, it's rectangle. And that looks pretty cool. Wait. Hang on. And this is even cooler. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna die so fast. Thought Poco just fell to its death. Ah, jeez! It's not funny. Okay? Oh, I hear the spiders. No, 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 no. Not my jam. Or my jelly. Alright. Ooh, Poco. Oh god. No, Poco! Are you okay? Thank god you're a bird. Die alright. Oh, I'll die alright. It was worth it. It was worth it. It was so worth it. Go, 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 go. Oh god, Jesus, why are there so many of you? Wow. Okay, excuse me? No. Okay.